get that right. Bam! Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mouse. Today we're gonna do another sneaker review. It's gonna be a little different though. Recently my Mac passed away. I'm gonna be editing this all off my phone on iMovie, which I've never used before, so hopefully it's not horrible, you know? But we're doing a sneaker today that I've been waiting for a long time. I actually even talked about it in my last video. This is a pretty hyped up sneaker, as most of the sneakers in this line are, the 700 V3. Here's the box. Your typical Yeezy box. For the 700, it says 700 on the top. People do a lot of like reading on the sticker note. Who really cares, you know? It says Alvah a million times. We're just gonna call it the black one, right? So let's pop it straight open. Ooh. Just get that in focus. There we go, bam. I took some pretty big L's on this sneaker. The day that it released, I woke up super early, just like everyone else. I went on Yeezy Supply, waited in the room. I was like 100% sure that I was gonna walk away with these sneakers. I was so sure. At one point it said that they sold out, or that they were out of this size, which is 11 and a half that I'm wearing. I really wear an 11, but I go a half size up on all Adidas Yeezys. They said that they were out of 11 and a half. And I came back at one point and the 11 and a half was back on there. After taking my L on Yeezy Supply, I went over to the Adidas app and took another huge L. I usually take really big L's with Yeezy Supply and Adidas, so I had to take the ultimate L and buy it off of GOAT for, I think it was like upwards of $400. Trying to convince myself that it's worth it. Other than the Quantum, the 700 V3 is probably my favorite thing going right now with Adidas Yeezys. So, I mean, I'm sure that I'm probably gonna spring for all of the colorways that they drop in this, and hopefully they do get more creative with the colorways. It is kind of crazy to spend like $400 on an all black sneaker. Like it's just all black. I'm gonna have to wear it a lot to get my money's worth. Looking at the back, that Adidas logo is pretty much the only branding that you have on the sneaker. Other than that, these three lines right here are like the Adidas stripes. They're on the bottom, of course. This sneaker does not have boost. So what you're looking at is the foam on the inside. It's a yellow color this time. Last time it was blue. I thought that the blue popped a little bit more, but I mean the yellow's cool. One of the big complaints with this shoe is that manufacturing right on the front with that toe. Usually it's not that clean, you know. Even on this, it's not really insanely clean, but it's not horrible. There's like a little bit of separation that you can see there. Another big complaint is how tight that area is around the ankle to try and get your foot in. I don't think it's that bad though. After you wear it a few times, it's snug for sure, but you can get your foot in there pretty easy. Right there on the toe hit, you kind of see those two triple M slaps. There you go. Yeah, now we see them. You can kind of see them when you're looking down at your shoe. If anyone's ever that low, you can kind of see them from the front as well. But yeah, that's probably one of my favorite parts of this shoe is that triple M hit. When I just have them like sitting in my closet and I look down at them, you can definitely see it. Obviously, the cool thing about these shoes that really grabs me in is the fact that this whole cage around the shoe glows in the dark. So, you know, you wear them out in the sun a few times, and if the sun really hits them, then as soon as you go back inside or you're in a darker area, then the shoe is kind of glowing green. And I think that's a really cool thing about this sneaker. I like that they kind of kept it the same as far as the fit, and there's really no difference in the make from the Azale. When they put out the 700 V1, the Wave Runner, which is honestly my least favorite, not because of the color, but just because it fits so loose. You saw that the follow-up colors were a little tighter around the ankle. They had a more structured fit for your foot. I like that all of the criticism about how tight the ankle was, it not having boost. I like that they at least kept it consistent and kept it the same. Now, I've heard some rumbling that V3s moving forward would have boost in here, which would most likely raise the price of it. I don't mind it at all not having boost. I'm like perfectly comfortable in this shoe. A lot of people say that it's not that comfortable. Having boost in here would be cool, I guess, but I don't see the difference. Like, I can wear this all day. The Alvah, you know, it's pretty regular, but I think it's gonna be cool. You know, you throw this on with some black skinnies or like some relaxed black sweatpants, and this would definitely be a go. I'm actually honestly waiting for like warmer days when people are actually allowed to go outside and throw these on with some shorts. I think they would be kind of fire as well. You just gotta have some really cool socks with them. So yeah, that is the Yeezy 700 V3 Alvah. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up your pair. Let me know how you're liking it so far, if you think it's better than the Azale, and I will catch you on the next one. Bam!